Hi guys, and welcome to this series where I try food and drinks that I never tasted before. As you all know by now, I moved to London, which gave me the opportunity to get out of my comfort zone and try new things. So this is exactly what this series is going to be about, and in each episode I'm going to try 3 different food and drinks in a sort of mukbang style and tell you guys how I like it. And yeah, if you're interested, just keep on watching. So today is the 16th of September and I'm just about to eat this bad boys. Of course, not all of them, I'm just gonna eat one. And basically these are bagels, and I've been dying, like literally dying to try bagels since, well, literally since forever. I am a huge fan of the OC, and if you guys know the show, you would know that like bagels were a thing in there, and like Seth Cohen and bagels, and I mean it was just a thing, right? And also Art of Dixie, another of my favorite show. I clearly remember the scene when Zoe Art came in like the church, I think it was, and she said, "I brought bagels," and so I brought bagels. I'm just about to eat them. Alright, let's take one out. Also, I'm literally starving, so this is how it look like. If you ever heard of eat a bagel, you would know that. Okay, let's test this out. It's like, is it bread? Like, what is it made of? I remember that once I actually tried to make this at home and it didn't turn out any good. Like, it was definitely not a bagel, it was not even like bread, anything like that. It was just disgusting. So let's try this one. It's definitely different than I thought it was going to be. Also, this is turning out in a sort of mukbang or mukbang type of thing, you know. I mean, I don't hate it. Just weird. So, I don't know, just weird. I mean, of course I will eat them since I bought them, but it's just a really weird consistency. Like, I was not expecting it to be sort of gummy almost, you know. I definitely think I would need something to, you know, eat with these, because they need to be, I don't know, I think they just need to be filled with something. So yeah, I actually need to go to the market and get something to fill those up. But I don't know, first impression of a bagel, definitely not what I was expecting from a bagel, but I think it's kind of okay. I mean, I would go with it. It's kind of hard because like bagel were something that I always wanted to try, so I don't know, I'm kind of disappointed. Like, just salon by itself, it's not really great, but maybe with something it would be really nice. So technically I did already eat one of those. I did eat one last night, and also when I came here with the school, and I think I got one of these also in Romania, but they're so good, so I'm gonna eat this. Oh, hello there. So today is the 25th of September and I'm just about to try this tiny little thing. So excuse my voice. First of all, I am actually getting a cold. I feel like I'm getting sick, and so that's the reason why I wanted to try one of these shots. I wanted to try the ginger one, but then I didn't have the ginger one, so I ended up getting the charcoal and the apple shot. And I don't really know how this is. I'm really intrigued to try it, and hopefully, finger crossed, this will make me feel better, because I just don't feel better at all. And well, I don't know, I feel like those are really strong, so I don't know if they will actually make you feel better, but we'll see. We'll try it. Okay, let's just try to like smell it first. Oh, it's not really bad actually. I like the smell. I'm kind of scared though. Also, they say you need to shake that. I think I did shake it, but let me just shake it again. Like, I really like the smell, so I really hope it's good. Also, should I take, like, this is 100 milliliters. Should I take the whole thing, or should I just you know, eat little by little, like drink it little by little. I mean, I don't know, how do people do this? Okay. Yeah, actually it's not bad. It's actually really good. I mean, it's a little bit strong, like you can definitely feel it, like going down and stuff, but like it's not bad at all. Like I will actually like this. Let's hope this makes me feel good. I don't really know if like the charcoal and apple is going to make you feel good, but that's my opal. So this is how it looked like. I didn't show you, but this is pretty much it. And the brand is MNS, which is like I think it's, I'm not really sure like what is the acronym of. S is like the acronym of Spencer, but then I'm not really sure for the M. But yeah, this is how it looked like. I think I'm gonna drink it all actually. Okay. Not really bad at all. I think I like this. Also how cute and tiny is this package, god. But yeah, like, I know that this was actually, you know, the shot you're supposed to take to feel better. I feel like there's a lot of like, you know, vitamins in it and stuff, but I just don't know if it's actually the one you're supposed to drink if you're getting sick. So this one says it also helps the body absorb iron and support a healthy immune system. So it should help for that. Really no clue if it actually does. But it was not that bad. Like I was expecting worse from watching people video about this, but well, I survived. But I really want to try the ginger one, so I think I'm gonna record myself once I found that as well. Oh, and update on the bagel. I actually really like bagels now because I realize you need to toast your bagel first and then put like butter or any sort of things over them, and they're so good. So you just need to fill basically your bagels, which probably you guys already knew, but I didn't. So today is the 26th of September, and excuse my voice, I'm starting to get a cold, but basically I'm just about to try this thing here. Oh my god, this is the dragon fruit, and I wanted to try the dragon fruit for ages, but then I couldn't find it where I live, and here I am with a freaking dragon fruit in my hand. Like, it's kind of funny because they literally have not even like a restaurant, but just like a grocery shop with only Chinese food. And well, I'm all about that literally. So we're gonna open this thing up and taste it, I guess. Also, I watched actually tons of video about how to cut the dragon fruit, but I feel like I'm going to cut it my way. So just simply cut it through it, and yeah, let's just do it actually. Oh my god, I wish you guys can see what I'm seeing. Look at that. Can you see? So this is how the dragon fruit look like, and oh my god, look at this thing. Like, can you actually see that? It's crazy. It looks so good. I just want to try this. It's not weird, like I never actually smelled something like this. Okay, so my idea is just to scoop it basically with a spoon. Okay, there we go. Oh. Okay, so that's a bite. Okay, taste test. Wow. I don't think I like it. Like, also, are you meant to just eat this alone, or I don't know, with a salad or something? I had such high hope for this fruit because I wanted, like I said, to try it for like ages, but I literally don't like it. I don't like it. I can taste all the seeds and I really don't like that. And as for like the flavor, I can't really tell like which is flavor is. Like, I don't know, just weird. It is just weird, basically. I mean, it's not, I don't know. I don't really know how to describe it. It's not really bad, but it's just, I don't know, I don't think it's my thing. I mean, it looks pretty because it does looks pretty. I like, you know, it's purple on the outside, how cool. But I don't think it's my thing. Like, I literally don't think so. And I think that we can also blame the seeds because of that, so kind of disappointed, to be honest.